In this video, we'll walk you through how to install multiple Autodesk products at once on Windows. First, log into your Autodesk account and create a custom install package. Select the products for the package. For each product, configure options such as the version, language, and more based on your needs. Enter the desired package name. Select the Deploy option to create the installation package. Enter the path to save the downloaded package. In the Advanced options, you can configure the path where Autodesk products will be installed on client computers. Check the box to agree to the terms of use, then click the Download button to finalize the process. Open the downloaded file. It could take a while to download all products. Please be patient. Once done, go to the folder that you configured when creating the package. To install all Autodesk products, simply run the batch file. All downloaded products will be installed automatically and silently. To install on other computers, you need to copy all files and folders, then run the batch file. To uninstall all apps, edit the batch file. Comment out the install command by adding rem at the beginning. Remove rem in the uninstall command. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.